Hey, Bison Band. Today I'm introducing to you a new interval, and intervals again are the spaces between our notes. So we are measuring how far apart our notes are. In tutorial number 1, we focused on unisons and thirds. Thirds are 2 notes away, unisons were the same note. Now today we're looking at intervals of a third, which is again 2 notes away, or a fifth. This is our new one that is 4 notes away. So you are going to see only those two, no unisons today. We are doing 5 errors or less, completing 30 of our intervals. And even though it does say that there's some hints allowed here, this exercise does not actually have a hint button. So you're just going to have to count really carefully. Watch this video again if you want me to walk you through these. Let's do a couple together. All right, now I'm going to count from the note here up to get to this note. If you see pointy bottom B's, that's a flat sign, or something that looks like a hashtag, that's a sharp sign. That's not going to affect what we're doing here today. In the future it will, but for now we're just counting from where this note is to where this note is. That's really all that matters for the moment. I have a line, and then a space. 1, 2. We know that anything that is 2 notes away is a third. So I can either click here or hit the number 3. And I'm going to count again. 1, 2, space, line. That's a third. Now here's one of our new intervals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Line, space, line, space. That would be a fifth. That is 4 notes away. And again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2 notes away. 1, 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 notes away is our fifth. So go ahead and complete these. I'm asking for 30 of these total today, counting up your intervals. 5 errors or less. Make sure you submit your results, whether you finish completely or you need to submit your best effort and try again. If you have a question beyond what you saw in this video or saw in your instructions, make sure you stop by my office hours or you send me a request through your ToneSavvy support request form in your Google Classroom, and I will be right back with you as soon as I can. So good luck, game on.